thank you for talking to us. I think we have had a very fruitful discussion so far. However, with your consent, we would like for you to schedule subsequent sessions with us before the actual mediation session, and we will get our secretary in touch with you regarding your availability and everything. And also, we will also be sending you a detailed record of our discussion in this session.
Indeed. Whatever we have discussed over here in today's session, we will be sending you everything in detail in a preferred mode of communication.
Just email me.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and also please note that when you come for the subsequent sessions, we would prefer you to bring a copy of all the agreements that you have with Mr. Jaiprakash so that we can refer to it.
I'll send it over by email tonight. And
Yeah.
also I'll get a copy of it next session.
Yeah,
Sure.
sure.
Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So what do you think how the session went today?
Mr. Shah, I think it was a very fruitful discussion that we were able to have with our client today, and we could obtain a lot of information which we can work with as of now. And luckily enough for us, our client was very open with us despite this being her first session with us. And I totally understand why she was pushing to sue the actor this much, and I totally understand the kind of loss that she has suffered. But I'm glad that we could convince her to go for a mediation session instead, which is, I
Indeed.
firmly believe it's the right first step to take, right? And I believe that the odds are in our favor because of the explicit clause that she had mentioned in the agreement entered between her and Mr. Jaiprakash, which says that he is obligated to attend promotional events, right?
Yeah, it's a clear breach of section
Yeah, which he
73
clearly
of
did not
Indian
do.
Contract Act. So yeah, we can use this also in the mediation sessions.
Yeah.
And apart from that, there is a mentioning about the defamation clauses as well, like about the interview which she was mentioning, like the actor has defamed about the whole movie in the another interview which was not scheduled by them. So we can also use that particularly in the mediation session to make our contentions very strong.
Definitely, yeah. As you mentioned, there was a violation of Section 73 of the Indian Contract Act, and there was a clear breach of contract. So that can be grounds for us claiming monetary compensation in the mediation. And also the defamation can also be a ground for claiming monetary compensation, and both of these can definitely be brought up in the mediation sitting. And also, I think our immediate course of action should be to obtain the copy of agreements from Ms. Kamla, which is there between Mr. Jaiprakash and her, and we should further refer to it, and then we can decide how to proceed.
Yeah, we can able to find any of the good,
Yeah.
good number of clauses with respect to this
Yeah.
matter. That would be very helpful.
Yeah, the second thing that we should definitely do is to schedule a mediation sitting as soon as possible,
Yes.
depending on our client's availability as well as Mr. Jaiprakash's availability.
Of course, and then we can also train our client as well for this mediation session, so that it will be very helpful for her during the real-time mediation process. We can use our in-house mediators to cooperate with us with respect to this particular case, so that it will be very helpful for our client mentally as well as emotionally, so that she will get to know the process in a very fruitful manner.
Definitely, I agree to that, and we do have a great team of mediators.
Indeed.
Yeah, and another thing that we have to do is we need to sit together and draft a notice to Mr. Jaiprakash for the mediation session.
Yes.
So I think those are the three things that we have to do. So the first thing being referring to the agreement, the second thing being that we need to schedule subsequent sessions with Mr. Kamla herself to kind of train her to mentally, emotionally prepare her for the mediation sitting. And then we definitely have to send a notice for mediation to Mr. Jayaprakash. And yeah, we can obtain the agreement from Ms. Kamla.
And then we can start with this case.
And we can definitely proceed.
Okay, and then write on it.
Yeah.
Then we can start after we get that legal process. Thank you.
Thank you.